Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best insulation materials for acoustic panels, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Acoustic Panels 18-Pack Gray Model. Transform your space into a serene oasis with the Acoustic Panels 18-Pack Gray Model. These thoughtfully designed soundproof wall panels enhance any room while significantly reducing unwanted noise. Imagine immersing yourself in a calm environment where distractions melt away, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Perfect for your home studio or creative space, these high-density sound-deadening panels invite peace and clarity into your daily life. The elegant gray color effortlessly complements your decor, creating a soothing atmosphere that inspires creativity and relaxation alike. Each panel provides not just functionality but also a touch of style, making them an essential addition to any room. Embrace the tranquility these panels bring and let your imagination soar as sound becomes a harmonious part of your environment. Elevate your listening experience today with the Acoustic Panels 18-Pack and feel the difference in your surroundings. Number 2. Acoustic Panels Self-Adhesive Black. Transform your space into a sanctuary of sound with the Acoustic Panels Self-Adhesive Black. Imagine a world where every sound is crisp and clear, creating the perfect environment for creativity and relaxation. These carefully designed foam panels enhance your audio experience, making music, movies, and gaming more immersive. Picture yourself in a studio where distractions fade away, allowing your passion to flourish. The sleek black design not only complements your surroundings but also absorbs unwanted noise, providing tranquility in your home. Easy to install, these panels bring instant improvement to any room, whether it is a recording studio or a cozy gaming corner. Envelop yourself in a soundproof oasis that helps you focus and express yourself freely. Elevate your environment with the Acoustic Panels Self-Adhesive Black and start your journey towards sonic perfection today. Number 3. Acoustic Soundproof Foam Panels. Transform your creative space with the Acoustic Soundproof Foam Panels, a perfect solution for achieving serene acoustics. Imagine immersing yourself in a world free from distracting noise, allowing you to focus on your projects or enjoy music without interruptions. This 36-pack of foam wedges enhances any room by absorbing sound waves, creating an environment that fosters productivity and inspiration. With a sleek black design, these panels add a modern touch while effectively reducing echoes and reverb. Whether you are recording music, setting up a home theater, or crafting art, the high-density foam ensures superior performance in sound isolation. Elevate your surroundings and experience the joy of clear sound that resonates deeply, turning every moment into bliss. Your ideal space for creativity and relaxation awaits with Acoustic. Number 4. High-Density Self-Adhesive Sound Insulation Acoustic Foam. Discover the transformative power of the high-density self-adhesive sound insulation acoustic foam. This innovative solution enhances your environment by significantly reducing unwanted noise, allowing you to create a peaceful sanctuary in your home. Imagine enjoying your favorite movies, music, or quiet moments without distractions. This acoustic foam is designed to provide the ultimate soundproofing experience, making it perfect for bedrooms, studios, and entertainment spaces. Picture the serenity as you immerse yourself in rich audio without external interruptions. The exceptional adhesive backing ensures a hassle-free installation, giving you more time to enjoy your improved surroundings. Crafted to be fire and water resistant, this product combines safety with efficiency. Elevate your living atmosphere and reclaim your personal space with this essential soundproofing solution that understands your need for tranquility and creativity. Number 5. Large Soundproof Wall Panels by Acoustic Essentials. Transform your space with the large soundproof wall panels by Acoustic Essentials. These professional-grade fiberglass panels create a serene environment by effectively absorbing sound, making them perfect for studios and home offices alike. Imagine immersing yourself in a world free from distractions, where creativity flows effortlessly and focus becomes second nature. The elegant design not only enhances the acoustics but also complements your decor, turning your walls into a visual masterpiece. Each panel brings a sense of calm, making your workspace a haven of productivity and comfort. The quality material ensures long-lasting satisfaction, uplifting your audio experience in every way. Feel the difference as echoes fade and clarity emerges. Every conversation, every note, and every idea becomes more vibrant and meaningful. Elevate your surroundings and discover the joy of a perfectly balanced acoustic atmosphere today. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.